class we have discussed about respiration in plants, means conduction of air in plants. Next, aerial roots, we discussed about these. Okay, next, let us conduct an activity. What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim of this activity? Aim is to observe the production of carbon dioxide during respiration in plant. Respiration in plant. This is the aim of this activity. This is the aim of this activity. Okay. This is the aim of this activity. Now, materials required. Materials required for this activity. Glass, transparent bottle, next, germinated seeds, or germinated seeds. Next, cork to fit in mouth of the bottle. Next, a small beaker. Next, lime water. Next, unsprouted cells, unsprouted seeds. These are the materials required for this activity. Now let us study about procedure. Now let us study about procedure. In this activity, first you have to take seeds. First you have to take You have to take seeds of basra or moong. Basra or moong seeds. Next, you have to soak them in water for overnight. You have to soak them in water. You have to soak them in water for overnight. Observe, you have to soak the seeds in water. Next, in the next morning, you have to collect all seeds. These are soaked seeds. These are soaked seeds. Now you have to place the all soaked seeds in Next, you have to place the all soaked seeds in wet cloth piece. Wet cloth piece. Okay, these are soaked seeds. Next, you have to tie the mouth of the cotton cloth or cloth piece slightly by using the thread. Next, you have to leave it for 1 day. Leave it for 1 day. Next, Next Monday, next day, how to open the cotton cloth or cloth piece. How to open the cloth piece and separate the all germinated seeds. Germinated seeds. Okay. Now you have to use the germinated seeds in this activity. Okay, this is the activity to obtain the germinated seed. To obtain the germinated seed. Observe once. Observe. Now I have to take like this. You have to take a bottle containing the 200 ml of capacity. 200 ml of capacity. Then you have to place the loaded seeds. You have to place the all sprouts or germinated seeds. Sprouts are observe. How to place all sprouts or germinated seeds. Like this. Now we have to take a small injection bottle sized beaker like this. Next, you have to fill 3/4 of the beaker with the lime water. How to fill the? How to fill? How to first? You have to take a beaker. Then you have to fill the beaker. 1/5 of the beaker. Sorry, 3/4 fourth half beaker with lime water. Next, you have to insert the beaker containing lime water in this lime water. These are germinated seeds. Sir? Are we? Observe lime water. These are germinated seeds. Next, you have to close the mouth of the. You have to close the mouth of the bottle containing the germinated seeds with a cork. Okay, observe carefully. This is important. This is the first. This is the first beaker. This is the first beaker. Next, you have to take another beaker. Now take another bottle containing or having 220, having the 200 ml capacity. Okay, observe one. Observe how to take bottle having the 200 ml capacity and you have to place unsprouted seed. Unsprouted like this, you have to place the unsprouted seed. Then you have to insert a beaker containing the lime water. A beaker containing the lime water. Observe carefully. Now you have to close the mouth of the bottle. Rubber cork with rubber cork or thermocol cork or any other one. Now you have to keep this for 1 day. Okay, 2 days, 2 to 3 days. You have to keep this for 2 to 3 days. What? 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, you have to observe the changes in seeds and lime water. After 2 days, you can observe milky white color. Milky white color. Why means in first beaker or in first one, you can observe milky white color in lime water. But in the second beaker or second bottle, milk this here. But lime water does not change into the milky white color. What is the reason for this? Here in first one, lime water became milky white color. In second beaker or second bottle, here lime water did not change into the milky white color. What is the reason? What is the difference between these two? In first bottle, we added germinated seed. We added germinated seed. Germinated seed, they can perform the respiration process. Before germination, seeds cannot perform respiration. But after, listen carefully here. Here, after germination process, seeds can perform the respiration. Here, as we placed the germinated seeds in first bottle, they perform the respiration process and they use actually oxygen, they release carbon dioxide. What? Carbon dioxide. This released carbon dioxide is reacted with the lime water. Okay, means calcium hydroxide plus CO2 and form calcium. Observe, calcium carbonate plus H2O. Calcium carbonate plus H2O. Due to presence of calcium carbonate in this beaker, we can observe milky white color precipitation. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Because of this process, due to the presence of this entire process, lime water becomes milky white color, turns into the milky white color. Okay, now come to the second beaker or second bottle. In second bottle, we placed unsprouted seed. Unsprouted seed. Next, lime water already we placed. Here, unsprouted seeds are non-germinated seeds. They cannot perform the photosynthesis and respiration process. They do not absorb the oxygen from the atmosphere, from this bottle space. Next, they can, observe carefully here, they cannot perform respiration, that is why oxygen is not released here. Carbon dioxide is not liberated. Observe carefully here. As there is no carbon dioxide in this bottle, lime water did not turn into the milky white color. Lime water remains as it is because there is no production of the carbon dioxide here. Why carbon dioxide is not liberated or produced? Respiration process does not occur. Respiration process does not occur. That is why lime water did not turn into the milky white color. Means during the respiration process, carbon dioxide is released. By doing this activity, we can say that during the respiration, carbon dioxide gas is released. Okay, this is important activity of the one. Next, next, another activity. Here, aim is to observe the production of heat during the production of heat during the respiration in plant. This is the aim of this activity. Now, materials required. Materials required. Listen, 2 bottles, 2 bottles having 200 ml capacity. Next, thermometer. Next, cork, rubber cork, germinated seed, normal non-germinated, non-germinated seed. Next, these are important materials required for this activity. Okay, now just you have to take like this. a bottle, and how to place the germinated seeds in this bottle. Germinated seeds of bajra or moong. To germinate the seeds, we have to follow a procedure. In last activity already we have studied. In that manner we have to prepare the germinated seeds. Next you have to place all germinated seeds in bottle. Now you have to take rubber cork or cork made up of thermometer, thermocol. Now we have to form a small hole at the center of the cork. Why means to insert the thermometer into the bottle containing the germinated seed. Now we have to fix the cork to mouth of the bottle. Next, insert the thermometer into the bottle through hole formed in cork. Observe carefully. You have to insert the thermometer into the germinated seed through the hole formed in cork. Here another important precaution is this node of the thermometer should be inside of the germinated seed. Means it should be buried into the germinated seed. Okay, observe one. Germinated seed. Thermometer. Here this is the cork, rubber cork. Observe. This is the first setup or first bottle. Now, next, take another bottle take another bottle. Now you have to place the unsprouted seeds in this bottle. Next, you have to take cork and form a hole at the center of the cork. Like this, you have to form hole. Next, you have to fix the cork to mouth of the bottle. Mouth of the bottle, and you have to insert the thermometer into the bottle containing the unsprouted seeds through hole formed in rubber cork. Hole formed in rubber cork. Observe, this is cork, here thermometer, here unsprouted seeds. What? Unsprouted seeds. Okay, this is the setup 2. This is the setup 2. Now we have to place the first bottle and the second bottle. Listen carefully here. You have to leave the first bottle and the second bottle for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days or during these 2 days, 2 to 3 days, you have to take or you have to collect the some here record. Listen carefully here. Every 2 hours, in every 2 hours, you have to take the here reading. readings of the thermometer are here mercury level of the thermometer. For example, first 28 degrees centigrade, next 2 hours, okay, next 2 hours 30 degrees, next 2 hours 33 degrees, next 3 hours 2 hours, next 35 degrees, like this. You have to take the readings here. Observe, you have to take the readings in every 2 hours. Observe carefully. Like this, at least 24 hours you have to take the reading. Then after taking the reading, you have to make or you have to draw a graph. Okay. For example, observe. Here this is time. Here this is the what? This is temperature or heat production or temperature in centigrade. First here, time 2 hours, 4, next here, ten, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, like this. For example, first at normal 28 degrees means here. Okay. Next 2 hours. After 2 hours 30. Next after 4 hours 32. Next 35. Next 40. Next 45. Like this, observe. If you collect the reading, you can observe increase in temperature inside of the bottle. Inside of the bottle. What is the reason for increase in temperature inside of the bottle? What is? Here you can observe increased temperature only in first bottle. In second bottle, you cannot observe because what is the reason here? Germinated seeds perform the respiration process and they produce some amount of heat. Understanding? Here, when glucose molecule is broken down into the carbon dioxide, water, some amount of heat energy is also released. Means in every glucose breakdown or in every breakdown of glucose molecule into the some amount of heat is generated inside of the bottle. This generated heat is measured by the thermometer. But here ungerminated or unspotted seeds are present. They cannot perform the respiration. That is why heat is not produced here. Heat is not produced here. That is why here we cannot observe the increased temperature inside of the second bottle. This is important one here. Means from this activity we can conclude that plants also perform the respiration and produce carbon dioxide and heat. Carbon dioxide and heat.